Whoa. I'm just looking at this. I'm very busy, don't disturb me. Woo! Oh, I'm a bit busy on the computer because I'm just concentrating on this. Woo! Oh, I've just seen if Danny sent us an email. I'll just look at this and I'll just go, whoa! Just doing some typing. And then I just go, whoa! I'll just go, whoa! I'm just looking at this. I'm very busy right now because I'm very busy. And then I'll just go, whoa! Just have a look at these things on here. I'm very busy right now. Whoa! Very busy looking at things. Don't disturb me because I'll just go, whoa! Oh, very busy though. Got lots to do. I'll just go, whoa! Just tickle your feet! I'll just tickle your feet! Just looking at these things. This is very busy right now. Whoa! Very busy. So I haven't got time to go, whoa! Oh dear. Are we having a good fun? Are we having a laugh? Nope. Goodbye.